You just crushed that upper body workout. It's time to stretch and relax and get into that recovery mode. All you gotta do is roll out that mat. We're gonna start in standing. Roll the shoulders back a few times. And then do a big inhale, reach it up, pull your elbows to your back pockets. And then take the hands behind the back, interlock the fingers, and then push those arms down and away from the body. You can look up and then relax the chin, look down. And then let's drop the chest forward. Let the weight of the arms give you a little bit deeper stretch. Let your head be heavy. Release the hands and then roll yourself up and come to all four. Let's stretch out those wrists, fingers face your toes, spread them, and then just shift the weight back. And move in this so that we a little stretch and then release. To get more out of your recovery, it's good to just focus on some deep breathing here. Turn the fingers to the sides of your mat and then shift side to side. Coming into child's pose, sit back, walk the fingers forward and let the forehead drop. Walk the hands to one corner of the room and keep stretching out. Center and over to the other side. And then back into center, push the hips back. Come to all four, we're gonna thread the needle. Pick an arm and reach it up. And then thread it through. Shoulder goes to the mat. You wanna look to your back hip. You can extend the arm that's in front. We're coming up and going to the other side. So you need a moment, little hip roll, and then reach it up. Thread it through. Take a nice deep breath here. Press it into all four. A little cat-cow. And then all the way down onto the stomach, we're gonna go into a little scorpion. So reach one arm out. We're gonna bend the back foot and then open up the hip, but stretch out that chest. And then my head can relax to the mat. And then do the other side, reach out, open up the hip. Back to center, give yourself a nice up dog. Curl under, walk back to your feet, feet to hands, and hands to feet, roll it up. A little tricep here, grab that elbow. And then as you're in this position here, push the hips forward, a little upward glance in the ceiling, right? Go ahead and switch arms. Let it go. Reach the arms into T. We're going to take this left arm, reach it up and over, and then sweep both arms down and around, and then open it up. Let's go the same direction. So reaching over, down, and open up. One more time. And then switch directions. Reach it over, sweep it down, and back up. One more circle in that direction. Arms in T, thumbs reach back, open the chest. Thumbs reach down. And release. Attitude of gratitude to this amazing body. Reach it out, reach it up, reach it back, pull it into that heart, and be so grateful to this body that you have that's keeping you here. One more deep breath. Yay for you. All right, celebrate that win, because now when you come back for that next workout, you will get more. Love you guys.